So, hi, I am Arya Motiwala. I am 22 years old and currently working as a data scientist in Pune, getting a degree from IIT Madras. And this degree of data science was like just perfect. Even the timing was perfect, and even the domain which I was going to choose was the same. So, all in all, for me, it was just a hit that this degree, even like the courses that were there given by the IIT, like let it be machine learning, Python programming, LLMs, and everything aligned with all my goals and really appealed to me. And I just registered, and in like October, I remember it was 2020, we gave our first qualifiers. Until today, the journey has been really, really great, from the course structure to the engaging things like Paradox and the projects and everything. And I feel like the Mitesh Khapra sir, he has like in-depth knowledge of all the concepts, and I feel I literally go back to the lecture sometimes to understand few things again. And his approach towards this details and topics about LLM is really nice. AppDev and AppDev 2, I think it was literally full stack development. So I have like developing a social media application or a Kanban board. Like if it was just being a personal project, I would have taken a long time. But being judged by industry professionals and having like faculty members and TAs help me out throughout the project was definitely really helpful for me to get completed with this full stack project. It was amazing. Activities like All India Research Scholar Summit. I actually took part in AIRSS last year, and that experience, oh my God. Actually, we didn't think as a bachelor student we were competing against PhD and master's guys. And we were, of course, our topic was Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we did AI for Atmanirbhar Bharat, and we gave our abstract and research paper, and we won at the end. So it was like really unexpected, and that 3 to 4 days were full of chaos because there were people from DRDO, ISRO, and all the faculties from different like IITs also. So it was really good. Yes, I have faced this a lot. Like with me, there are a lot of students from BTech Computer Science, or someone has done BSc in Mathematics Statistics, or even MBA for that matter. But the technical knowledge about core machine learning, AI, and deep learning, I feel like it differentiates me from the other batch. And like the practical knowledge, the coding part, or even the Kaggle interaction, which we did because of MLP and all, I think it helped a lot because in data science interview, that is one main thing they ask for, and we have to do it live. So a lot of people cannot do it, but because of our practice in our courses, it helped a lot. Market research is something you require like throughout, let it be data analysis, data science. Like it is the basic structure, which like technical is the second part. First part is data extraction, doing market research, understanding the situation. I feel there are more practical subjects in our degree. In corporate life, they are like first thing, if it's even the BDM course is very practical because there we have taken a lot of examples of different corporates only, like different companies only. Every Sunday it was like assignment deadlines or there is some OPP or test or something going on. But now it feels like the consistency is the key. Looking back, it was tough, but when someone comes in and asks me, it was all worth it. Now it feels we have like basically had a race up till now, but in corporate, when we are landing, it feels because we did that, it feels so much more easier now. Just enjoy the process, keep it consistent, and you will make it.